Hello everyone, and welcome to Laylee's Crafting Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to create those trending notebook style images that everyone's been talking about lately. Alright, let's get started. First, open a new canvas sized 8.5 by 11 inches. Now, search for lined white paper. You'll see several options pop up. Just choose one that you like best. However, we'll just select one for this demo. If the paper doesn't fit your canvas perfectly, no worries. Just stretch it slightly from edge to edge and adjust it as needed. Now let's add a few elements. Since Christmas is right around the corner, we're going with a festive Christmas theme. Remove the background from your image, center it on your page, and then adjust the transparency to blend it softly into the paper. You can add as many elements as you want. This is where your creativity shines. Let's search for a few more Christmas details. Maybe some lights. Or maybe I'll grab this Christmas garland here. With the garland, you can leave it as is, or fade it a bit by lowering the transparency. If you'd like to add a header to each page, just insert your text, select a font style, and adjust it however you like. And that's it. Super simple. Now, I'm going to group everything together to keep the design in place. However, let's say you want to create something a little more detailed, maybe for a wedding, baby shower, or another special occasion. If you have a personal photo, you can upload it, or you can use Magic Media, and type in what you'd like. For this example, I'll search for a woman wearing a wedding dress. Let's wait for it to generate. And these are lovely images. I think I'll go with this one. We'll follow the same steps as before. Since this one is wedding inspired, I'm going to use a bride and groom style font. Not really loving this image here. You can adjust the transparency and add wedding bells, flowers, or any other details that inspire you. Be as creative as you like. This is your space to play and design. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps and inspires someone out there today. As always, a special thank you to my amazing creative customers. Your support truly helps my small business grow. Until next time, peace, love, and happiness.